Oh yeah, what's going on YouTube? Nick here. Thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in. Got a little bit of news I want to share with you today. I think it's something important and definitely was affected negatively today by this. By the way, my subscribers, thank you so much. I do appreciate you guys subscribing. We just crossed over 600 subs and I'm really happy about that. I'm really excited. And when I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm giving away a free dash cam. It's a $200 dash cam. So when we hit 1,000, and then I will be giving that away every month after that as well. So make sure you subscribe, hit the like button if you want a free dash cam. So all right, back to what the video is really about, what I'm talking about here. It's something that every driver needs to know. I wish I had paid more attention to this prior to today, because something happened to me today, and I'm just feeling I'm pretty bummed out about it. I was pretty irate actually at first, and then I just started owning up to it and taking responsibility and sucking it up. So this morning, I worked late yesterday. I couldn't do Uber yet when I first started this morning, because I still had to wait, finish up my 8 hours offline time before I could start driving for Uber again. So I had to wait till about 7:20 or so. But anyways, I had Lyft on and I'm driving around, did a Lux ride, went to a Lux Black pickup. The person didn't show up, so got the cancellation fee. That was $10. So, and then Uber, and right about now I was watching the Uber app, and then right about now Uber is blowing up. All right, in Boston it's blowing. Everything's red. Everything's in red. I'm driving into a red section. I haven't turned Uber on yet. I'm still waiting because I want to make sure I get deep into that red zone, because I was in it, but I want to get all the way. It was like $11, and I was trying to get to it. And as I'm trying to get to it, I'm driving down, going through a couple lights. People are kind of battling in traffic, you know, going for position. Big box truck cuts me off. Not a big deal. I mean, it wasn't like dangerous that he cut me off. He just got in front of me. He's driving aggressively and I couldn't see anything. So I go around him, you know, I get in the other lane to go around him. I'm going around him, and then as I get up next to him, he's starting to cut over, and I lean on the horn because I can see him edging closer, but I couldn't get ahead. I couldn't like move out of the way because there was a car in front of me. And then what ended up happening was his mirror hit my car. Yeah, he had a big, like those big mirrors that come out on the side of your car, not like the little one here on my MDX, but like the big huge, like ape hanger. I don't know what to call them. Somebody called them those one time. They're like monkey bars that come out from the side of the vehicle, and he hit my car, and he hit my window, and I want you to see it right here. So there it is. The MDX, my baby, now has a busted window here, because that guy, you know, he just wasn't paying attention. I mean, it's an accident. Accidents happen, right? So I was a little distraught though. I was a little pissed because obviously I saw that and I'm like, I can't work like this. I need to go out and make money today. I can't work with a car like that, you know? So I was pissed off. I was just like trying to get my shit together. And so I wanted to call the police because I wanted to have a police report and make sure that everything was cool, just so I had all his information and everything. So the cop gets there, he looks at it, he's like, oh, it's a minor accident. So then he has me take a picture. We exchange, like, take pictures of each license and registration, and he sends us on our way. And like, I'm not gonna get a police report. He's like, no, I'm not gonna do it for a minor accident. So I was pissed about that. And then, so I call my insurance company immediately. So he's off. And then they're telling me that it's glass and that has a $500 deductible and it's comprehensive, so they're not gonna pursue the other guy's insurance company. And I'm like, what the hell? You know, I'm not gonna cover $500 for that. I mean, $500, you know what I mean? That's a big chunk for me. I'm not making a ton of money. You know, I have to bust my ass to make $2,000 a week. So I'm pretty pissed off. I'm like, well, what the hell do I do? You know, so, and I felt confused because when I talked to the lady, I'm like, well, why do I even have to pay for this? And I'm like, well, what do I have to do to like get, you know, him to pay for it? She's like, well, you can go after their insurance company if you want. I'm like, what do you mean? And she's like, do you have a police report? I'm like, no. She's like, well, I don't know what to tell you. So now I have to go, I don't even know where to start. I think I'm gonna start with the insurance I mean, not the insurance company. I'm gonna start with the police department and go from there and see if they can help me out. I don't know, if you guys know, like, go ahead and comment below, like, what I need to do. I have his license and his registration. I just don't really know the next step, and like, I really want to get some clarity on this for people in the future. Make sure you get the insurance information. I know it's like, probably seems like the easiest thing to do, but maybe sometimes you don't even realize, you know, how out of it you can be. And most of the time I would think I would just get it, you know, and I didn't. So I messed up, you know, that was my fault. Should have been a little bit more aware. Now I got to deal with this. But my my immediate solution, I just went to Home Depot, and I got some Gorilla Tape. So I'm gonna put some black Gorilla Tape on it. Then I gotta clean up the glass inside too. So I gotta vacuum it out and clean it up. So if you can see it, I don't know if the focus is there. Yeah, I got a lot of glass and stuff I gotta clean up before I can start bringing people around. Can't get a good focus on it. So anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for hearing me vent, and I'll see you on the next video. Get the insurance information.